Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. So today we are here to talk about how can we log in to Shein application with your Facebook account. Without further ado, let's get started in the video. For that, what you need to do is open your Shein application on your mobile phone or on your desktop, whatever you want. So once we open the app, we might have to wait some time for the ad to get over, and as it gets over, we can see that we are in the home page right now. So as you can see in the bottom bar, there are 5 icons: shop, category, new and gals. On your very bottom right hand corner, you can see an icon of a person, me. Please tap in that icon. So once you come to the me page, what you can see is in the top left corner there is sign in and register option. Tap in there. Here you have two options, sign in or register. Sign in is when you already have an account. If you go to sign in, the only thing you need to do is type in your email address with which you had opened an account and put in your password of the account. That way you can sign in and open your old account. But if you don't have an account and this is the first time you are in Shein application, you may go to register. You need to fill the same email address and new password along with verifying. But since we want to learn how to register with Facebook, you can see just below register there is another option, register or join in with Google or Facebook. Go to the second option because we want to open our Shein application via Facebook account, like connected to Facebook. So you can tap in Facebook right here. A Facebook account will be open in a browser. So I already have Facebook open in my mobile phone, so directly it is showing continue as yes. The phone has auto linked it to my Facebook account that is open on the mobile phone. You may continue it as the account it has been logged in, or you may cancel it. As you can see, my already has a link with it. So if I do continue as Yasmin, that is my Facebook account, you can see that registration is successful. Welcome to Shein. You have now successfully registered your Shein application along with your Facebook. So if we go back here, after this you can scroll down and confirm it. Now here you can see it's written, "Hi Yasmin Shrestha. The Shein app and Facebook app has now been synced." That is how you open Shein account through your Facebook account. And that is it for today. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much.